Washington-based Pravo Ventures invests in Ukrainian aerostat maker. Washington-based investment syndicate Pravo Ventures has invested in Ukrainian aerostat developer Aerobavovna, backing a company already supplying airborne platforms to Ukrainian forces for communications and sensing tasks. In a statement, Pravo Ventures said Aerobavovna is building critical aerostat-based capabilities for Ukraine and its allies, adding that it is excited about the team's continued growth and impact. The firm also thanked the legal team at Skadi, law firm in Ukraine, for supporting the deal and noted the participation of other syndicate members in the investment round. The funding comes as Aerobavovna continues to expand the use of its aerostat systems in operational settings. The company's platforms are already in service with Ukrainian forces, where they're used to support communications and sensor coverage in contested areas. Aerobavovna's chief executive, Yuri Vysovin, has described modern aerostats as adaptable airborne platforms rather than legacy systems. In a recent interview with the Defense blog, he said they can carry radars, communication equipment, signal relays, and other sensors depending on mission needs. Unlike conventional aircraft or drones, aerostats remain tethered while operating at altitude, allowing them to stay airborne for extended periods. This endurance enables continuous coverage over a fixed area without the need for frequent launches or recovery cycles. That capability has taken on greater importance as battlefield operations increasingly rely on networks of drones. Maintaining stable communications links has become more difficult, particularly when ground-based infrastructure is exposed to disruption or attack. By lifting relay systems into the air, aerostats can extend signal range and help maintain connectivity between units, drones, and command elements. This is especially relevant for long-range unmanned operations, where reliable data transmission is essential for control and coordination. In addition to communications, aerostats can support surveillance and signals intelligence roles. Their ability to remain in place for long durations allows for continuous monitoring, which is harder to achieve with aircraft that must rotate in and out of the area. The systems themselves are relatively simple compared with powered aircraft. Because they are tethered, they do not rely on engines to remain aloft, which allows for longer endurance and reduces operational demands. This makes them well-suited for maintaining persistent coverage in areas where other airborne platforms may be less practical. Pravo Ventures investment highlights continued interest from U.S.-based investors in Ukrainian defense technology, particularly in systems that address challenges created by widespread drone use. As unmanned platforms become more common, supporting infrastructure such as communications and sensing has become increasingly important.